I was in love with you and gave my heart to you. I did my best to keep you satisfied. You took the love from me and used it selfishly. You did not give back your love to me at all. I gave the sun to you. You said it was too bright. I gave you diamond rings. You said they didn't shine. I gave my world to you. Despite your evil ways, I guess it's clear to me there's only one thing left to say. Till you do me right. Only wrong is gonna come to you, girl. Nothing good is gonna come to you. Change your way until you change your leave. Oh, girl, I was there for you. Someone you could talk to. How could you just keep breaking my heart? What did I do to you to make you be so cool? I don't understand why you've been so wrong.